Hey, this is Michael with Michael James Remodeling, bringing you an update on our new construction home here off of Lake Lanier. I'm standing in the living room of this new home. It's got this beautiful view of Lake Lanier that I absolutely love. Off to the other side, we've got the kitchen. It's really going to turn out to be a beautiful home. We have gone into the framing stage of this house. It is turning out amazing. We have finished our first floor, our second floor, starting on the roof. We're also putting in our septic tank right behind us. He's digging in all the field lines, got it inspected and ready for that to move forward. Here in the next couple weeks, we're going to get our roof put on, as well as windows and doors, and we'll have our mechanicals go in. Our plumber, electrician, heating and air will really start getting things put in, so that way we move into the other stages of siding, sheetrock, and miscellaneous things. Thanks for watching. Don't miss a single update. You can follow us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. We look forward to seeing you on the next update.